Hey y'all, it's Emily Ann today, and this entire week I'm going to be vlogging. So today is Monday, I'm gonna vlog until Friday, and I'm going to start uploading a weekly vlog every Saturday. So basically I woke up, I've done my whole morning routine except for my makeup, I'll do that in a little bit. And I've got my tea, and I'm about to work on some schoolwork. Mondays are when everything gets sent out, so basically I'm just going to be scheduling when I want to get things done throughout the week. And I'm also going to be uploading a video today because I upload every Monday. So anyways, let's get on with setting up some schoolwork and uploading my video. Okay, so I finished looking through all of the things and planning all of my schoolwork for the week. So basically I have this little planner that I used to use when we actually had classes, but now I just use it to write down the things that I need to do. So basically how my online school works, in case you are wondering, is that everything is posted on Monday and then everything is due by the end of the week, and then we get to pace ourselves. So I typically decide to do like one class a day because typically we have like 5, 6, maybe 7 days to get it done, and I have about 5 classes, I think. So in here I will also write the day that I want to do them. Anyways, now I'm going to go and finish the uploading process on my video that will be out today, as in like Monday. So I already have it like uploaded to YouTube, but it's not posted yet. And so now I have to go in and like create the description, the tag, the thumbnail, the cards, end screen, and all of that, and come up with a title. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I'm probably gonna also wake my bed first because it's bothering me right there. So okay, so I finished everything that I needed to do for editing that video, and then I will upload it at 6 o'clock because that is the time that I upload. So here it is behind me, and I have everything like all completed. Now I just have to create the thumbnail, which I will do on my phone, and then that's it. I'll probably do my makeup in a little bit, and then I have a few things to film, so I'll catch up with you after I'm done making the thumbnail and everything. Also, let me know if you're interested in a video on like how I edit and upload my videos and make the thumbnail and all that, because I would definitely make one if y'all are interested, so comment below. And yeah, I'm gonna go make the thumbnail now. Okay, so I'm going to do my makeup now, which is why I have this on. I'm gonna use it as like a little headband to keep my hair out of the way. And then I'm going to film something for one of my classes because there's an assignment that's due. It's not due till Friday, but I wanted to get it over with. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my makeup, and I'll probably have like a short little time lapse of that. That's what's gonna happen next. Okay, so my makeup is all done and complete. I actually have a video coming out showing you my in-depth makeup routine. It won't be out yet, but that should be out soon, so subscribe if you want to see that. My setting spray actually ran out during that video, so I got a new one that I've been trying out recently, and it's a matte setting spray, and it's kind of interesting. And I'm still deciding whether or not I like it, but anyways, it's the Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray, and I've been trying it out. I'll let you know how I like it more as I try it out more. Anyways, I'm gonna go film that video for a class, and we'll see what happens next. I'll probably film more other things as well, so. Okay, so I wanted to do a little bit of an OOTD because I'm about to change. So I'm just wearing this white sweater turtleneck like cut off top and some orange shorts. And so I finished editing the thumbnail, then I went to Penny Board a little bit, and I also bought a little mini inflatable pool off of Amazon, so you'll see that in a few weeks in a vlog probably. Anyways, I'm gonna change now. Okay, so that's all for today's vlog, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna take my makeup off and just chill for a bit. So anyways, I'll see you tomorrow. Hey all, today is Tuesday, so this morning basically I've just been working on my vlog from yesterday, editing that, and I finished mostly all the clips from that. And now I'm going to do one of my classes today and finish all of the work, so that's out of the way. And then I also think I'm going to start editing a video that's not due for a while on my channel. I'm actually ahead of schedule on editing because I have like 2 videos that are already like completely edited that just need to be posted. And then I'm working on this one, and then I have another one that's like for next week or something. So I think I'm going to just start working on that so that I have a project that I'm working on. And right now I'm just going to do one of my classes, so let's do that. Okay, so I finished my class for the day, and now here's like my checklist. Okay, well you can't see it, but this is like my checklist of things that I want to do today, so I can already cross a few things off. So basically every day I write in this little notebook that I have. It looks like this on the outside. I got it in a haul that I did. I might link it in the corner, we might not. It was from a while ago, honestly. And every day I write things that I need to do, so today I can cross off starting my vlog and doing class. And some other things that I have to do are still work out, do my makeup, and then film some TikToks or post a TikTok. Because I have all the time in the world, so I've been doing that a lot recently. Yeah, so that's what I have to do. I think I'm gonna finish like editing a video that'll come out later, or like work on that a little bit, and we'll see what happens next. So now I have a cat, and I'm about to go make some cookies, so I'll do like a little, maybe show you some of the process and then show you how they turned out. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so I finished making the cookies, and I'll probably show you them later, but they were fine. They were just normal cookies. And I also did a little bit of online shopping because I've been needing to get some new summer clothes because my summer wardrobe is kind of sad at the moment. So you should be seeing a haul on my channel soon. So right now I have this skirt that I got at Goodwill a while ago, and I was planning on making it into a swimsuit cover-up and like cutting a slit in the side and cutting out like the inside fabric, and so it's just like this sheer like swimsuit cute little cover-up skirt. So I'm going to DIY that right now, and then I'll show you it at the end. So yeah. Okay, so I finished cutting that. So basically I just cut out the slip that was on the inside and then cut a slit on one of the legs. So then it'll look like this. It'll have this little slit down the side. And then I'm probably going to like hem the part that I cut, and then I might make this, like the end of it, be like a little bit lower depending on what I like. So yeah, that's my little thing. So yep, I'll use that the next time I go to the beach, which won't be anytime soon, but at least we're done with that little project. Okay, so that is all for today. I did a bunch more online shopping, so there will be a big haul coming soon and a comparison video for like some stores. You'll see that eventually. And yeah, anyways, I'm gonna say that's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey y'all, today is Wednesday, and I just made some of the whipped coffee again. So you should have seen it in my last video where I did a whole video making it. If you haven't seen it, then I'll link that in the corner. And yeah, this time I crushed up all of the like coffee granules, and I think it turned out better because there's no like little bitter specks in it anymore. And yeah, so I'm gonna drink this, and then I'm gonna work on my class for the day. And I think I'm gonna actually do my makeup today. I didn't do it yesterday, and we'll see what happens next. Okay, so I've been working on like my class for a little bit now, and I'm honestly kind of done with it. At the moment, I feel like I haven't done anything all day because I've just been sitting around working on that, working on videos and other things like that. I haven't even worked out yet or gotten ready or anything. So I kind of just want to do a little workout, take a shower, do my makeup, get ready, get in a cute outfit, and then like film some videos because I haven't filmed any actual videos in a while because I don't need to. Like I have all of them for this entire month completed. I'm like all filmed and edited and everything. I literally don't need to film, but I feel like I just, want to film something. So I'm going to be productive. So, hi. So basically I worked out a little bit. I did not take a shower because I don't have any clean towels because today's my laundry day. So we're going to do my laundry. So yeah, also I changed into this so that I could wash my pajamas. Yeah, so I'm going to do my laundry. Hi everyone, so today is Thursday. I didn't end up vlogging much yesterday because I didn't really feel the greatest. Yeah, so I didn't even end up finishing my laundry yesterday. I did that today, which you would have seen a clip of it. And so today's Thursday, which is my uploading day. So I've uploaded a video. I uploaded at 5 o'clock today to see how that turned out, just to experiment with times a little bit. So I did the whole uploading process on that. And then also yesterday I started crocheting a little top. So you'll see that eventually. I've been working on that a little bit today. And so today I have to finish 2 classes actually. I have to finish the one from yesterday and then like do the one that was supposed to be today. And then I'm thinking about like actually doing my makeup, getting ready, and then filming a video. I'll figure out something to film just to film something. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen right now. I think I'm going to do my makeup. So I'm just gonna like snap and it'll be done so that I don't have like a long montage again because we already had that in that video. So in a second, my makeup will be done. Okay, so my makeup is done. I've even put on my outfit. And so basically I decided to do some greens because I knew I was gonna wear this. I picked out my outfit before, which I'm wearing this cute dress, which I believe is from H&M. Let me double check. Yep, it is. And then the shirt, I don't know, it's probably from like Target or something. It's just a simple green, lime green t-shirt. And so I matched my eyes with the look. So yeah, now I'm gonna like figure out something to film. I have a whole list of ideas, so I'll be back when I figure it out. Okay, so it's later and I just finished filming that video, or like the most of it. I still have a few more clips to finish. And here's like the aftermath of it. Or some of it, at least you should see it. Eventually it's going to be me creating a capsule wardrobe, so subscribe to see that video in the future. And then I think I'm going to sign off for tonight and change out of this, take my makeup off, wash my face. We'll see if I check back in later. I might show some clips of me doing a nightly thing. Also comment if you want to see a like actual night routine as a video on my channel, because I could do that as well. And yeah, I think that's going to be all for today. So okay, hey everyone, today is Saturday. I did not film much of Friday. Actually, I didn't film any of Friday because I've been trying to film different sections and different like parts of each day and not like repeating too much because then that would be like boring. So Friday basically I didn't do anything that I didn't do any other day. So I just like didn't end up filming anything because nothing exciting really happened. But anyways, this is going to be the end of the vlog because I am posting it today. So I have to get out this outro and then like finish editing. Mostly everything is done. I just have to add this one last clip and then we'll be done. So yeah, anyways, if you enjoyed this, subscribe for new vlogs every Saturday, and then I post every Monday and Thursday as well. So yeah, definitely subscribe and check out my channel and some of my videos, and I might link a playlist in the corner for you to check out as well because I've been doing that a lot recently, but I don't think anyone's really checking them out. But if you're interested, then it'll be there. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye.